Yeah, man. What's up? What's up, Cappy? How you doing, brother? Welcome back. You gonna play me some chess today? You gonna challenge me some 1-minute chess? I recommend you do. I think it'd be freaking fun. That's what we're here for. We have a... Oh, man, we already got you, brother. We already... Guys, let's just take it. Let's just go. Let's just go. Dude, these people... They know the trick. The trick is to play fast. I think I might be winning a pawn. I don't think there's anything you can do about it. Well, I didn't get the pawn. I got a bishop instead. Okay, that's a move. I think we say check. And then we... If I take, he traps my queen. So I'm going to bring the knight to this square. If I took, knight e6, trapped my queen. I got to take. He has a queen check. I can... I think this is probably a good move. Blocking. He's down on time, guys, because of the great maneuvers I've made. No, it's because he's rated 100, guys. He's a great supporter of the stream. He's always in chat. He always has a good attitude. And he came to play chess. And didn't quite work out for him so far. I think I need him. What did he do? He just moved? Watch this knight. Watch the rook. Good game, dude. Dude, I'm telling you, man, for a 100 rated player, that was a game of chess. Good job, Cappy. You had a bad day so far, but it's turning around. No, dude, you're in the right place. You came to the right place. Yeah, time struck, dude. It's a huge part. You know, sometimes late at night, I'll play on Lee chess. I'll play 1 minute. And when I start losing... I just realized, just start moving fast. And when I move fast, I just win. I mean, not every game, obviously. Jay Cook. Jay, how you doing, dude? I thought about you, man. I thought about you. I talked to Courtney about you. How you feeling, brother? I mean, what's it been? Last time I saw you was Friday. So you've had a couple of days. Probably not a whole bunch of healing in a couple of days. Tell me you're feeling a little bit better. Tell me something. I hope you're okay, bro. I know you're going to be okay. Jay broke his hip, man. Breaking a hip, I know nothing about. I just know it's painful, and I know it sucks. Hi, how you doing? I can't read your name, my friend. I wish I could. The guy with the fancy... Is that Arabic? What is that language? Is it Greek? I don't know. Dude, I am uncultured. I am an uncultured person. I don't know how to look at squiggly letters, and I just call them squiggly letters. I'm going to play a 1 minute game from... Oh, guys, we have an arena. The arena starts in 30 minutes. So join the arena. I'm going to get you guys a link for it now. For you chess.com players. I don't think the link works on vertical, but you can copy and paste it. This is a link to the arena. Join the arena. Get involved. Jay Cook says, I'm good. I'm on the way to the doctors for a wound check and more pain relief. But yeah, I'm doing okay. Thanks. Yeah, let's get that pain relief. James Ledbetter, dude, life is treating me good, man. How you doing, James? I'm looking at your face. James Ledbetter with the 4-year anniversary follower. How come it's not... There we go. Oh, yeah, dude. Great picture, James. James is not alone, folks. He's got somebody he loves in his profile picture, and it looks like the person loves them, too. Loves him close enough to stand right next to him and smile. That's, to me, that's love. Old Jedi Gamer! I seen Lee Chess redid their app. Wow. I was on Lee Chess, and I saw some things that looked almost like ads. But they weren't ads. They were like links to other things, like to content, right? Isn't that what I saw? There was colors. My Elite Chess board is just one plain board. It doesn't have a bunch of colors on it. There were colors. Did they redid their app? Yeah, no, Elite Chess is expanding, man. Elite Chess is in cahoots with a little guy named Magnus Carlsen. You may have never heard of him. And there might be some lawsuit things happening with chess.com. Magnus made a deal that he could do chess stuff outside of his deal with chess.com, except what he couldn't do was like start a platform where you play chess. That was part of the contract, right? And then chess.com gives him a bunch of money. He plays Title Tuesday, and everybody wins. Okay, be back soon. Got to go. Jay, love you, brother. Good luck with the doctor. And tell him that Charly Sardo Gaming said pain relief. Within reason. That can be dangerous, too, that pain relief, right? We know this. So, I'm not sure. The judge, I think if there is some lawsuit stuff, the judge will determine whether Magnus is in breach of contract or not. But Take is teaming up with Lichess. What you're allowed to do, since Lichess is open source, is you can use the Lichess app for anything, because it's open source. It's free. And they're like, well, we want to use the Lichess app because they've already done all the work. And then we're going to make a site to compete with Lichess, probably, and with chess.com. Yeah. And chess.com's like, hey, easy, Turbo. I thought you were on our team. Magnus is like, hey, what? I don't really know. That's Take is doing this. I don't make all the decisions about Take, what they do. Let's play a game, guys. Let's play a new game. I can play a rated game. Guys, challenge me, Rosewood Telly, 1 minute unrated on chess.com. Give me that bishop and that square. He's smart. He is smart. Not okay. He doesn't want. I'm just going to defend the pawns. I'm going to come back here. I should have gone there first, probably. Good. Fix my pawns. Ah, there's a square. I made a hole. Just make him wish. What do I do? You can't defend it. I'm threatening mate. His rook should come. I could have took that rook. Got a draw! Why am I proud that I just got a draw? Well, because I was losing, but I was only losing after I think I was clearly better. Kyle, send it. Send it. Challenge Rose. Let me see. Can I copy it from here? Yeah, right here. I'm gonna give it to you, buddy. Kyle, let's go. Bang. Challenge Rosewood Telly on chess.com. 1 minute unrated. Pin it. And also, hey, Cappy is in the arena. We got 2 people in the arena so far, guys. The arena starts in 19 chess.com minutes. That's different than Facebook gaming minutes. Kind of the same like Twitch minutes, and probably about a minute or a few seconds off from YouTube time, to be honest with you. That's all. Everything I just said right there is just a bunch of jokes, guys. It doesn't make sense. If you're like, oh, it's like one of them on delay or something. No, it's not. Why did I give up a draw, man? Was I winning back here? I think I was. Back here, because of the rook. Maybe going in El Centro, since I control the only open file, maybe I'm supposed to play king. Like king g3. It says f4 is a move. No, king e3 it likes. Okay. f4 now. I played it. Stop. Oh, f5 check. King f3, second best move, still winning. e5. f5 is dumb. e5. Hey, we got one. 3-2, no, Spielman, I'm sorry. I'll tell you this though, Spielman. I don't get the draw. Why was it not a win for you? Because I didn't have material to mate. I didn't have material to mate. Yeah, so here, let me see. It's still +2. It's still +2. That was the right move. Check. Just king f4 and push. King f4 and push. King f2 is a draw. King f4. g3. King f3. And he doesn't get it in time. King h2. Takes check. King g1. King takes, and I'm just winning. Spielman, 1 minute unrated. Spielman understands. Spielman, I do play 3 minute on Thursdays against viewers. Okay. I'm looking at his rating now. It's 1,000. I just realized. Smart move. Get out of dodge. And if he pushes, I have to take because it will get trapped. Gotta take. Okay. He's just moving a little slow, guys. He's just moving a little slow, but that's okay. Improve. Okay. That was a bad move. Good game, dude. Got he's rated 1,000. That was a very good game. Spielman, thank you for the game. Are you in chat? Hey, Bill Stevens. Yeah, he ran out of time, but I didn't have material to mate, and that's a draw. Bill Stevens says, howdy chillers, everyone doing well? I've heard about crazy weather, everyone's safe. I had crazy weather last week, but my weather has been good, I think, since Friday or something, over the weekend. Spielman, let's give someone else a chance to play, and then we'll start taking rematches and stuff once everyone gets a little bit more time to play. Join the arena, Spielman. It's only 30 minutes long. It's 1 minute chess. We get to play each other. Bing, 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 bing. We'll get one game after another. If you get a phone call, you can talk for a second, then you can come right back to it. It's not like a tournament. It's an arena. It's fun. You should join the arena, guys. Yeah. You just made a brilliant move to checkmate. Well, congratulations, Cappy. Did you analyze the brilliant move as deep as Stockfish? And no, I know. It feels good to make a brilliant move, right? It feels good to make a brilliant move. Old Jedi Gamer says, I was going to mow the yard. LOL, maybe I won't. Play the arena, Old Jedi Gamer. Get in a freaking arena, man. It starts in 13chess.com minutes, folks. 13chess.com minutes. You did very well. Back here, what did we learn from Daniel Naroditsky, guys? If there's one open file, if there's only one open file, which there is, it's the E file. You must control or contest it. Danya taught us that, guys. He lives. He lives through what he taught us, man. I was going to mother. Got that. Yeah, so you did good. It was a good idea. And then threatening to indubitably double this, that, which these are all probably really good moves. F5 might not have been the best move, but hey, you know, it probably came with tempo. This was a bad move. So where's my queen go? Where does my queen go? It just has to come back. And I thought you might, for time in a bullet game, it kind of opens your king up, but I don't have like a bunch of pieces to attack it, right? I thought you might play this move. G4's on the list. It was on the list. It doesn't like it. It wants king h7 for safety, king g7 for something, a5 to start attacking my pawns. But rook e6, dude, that's a great move. That's a really good move. Hey, T, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. You can play the arena. Get in the arena. Join the arena. T. Bang. Oh, well, that's the pinned con. If anyone wants to play me, you just challenge Rosewood Telly. 1 minute unrated. Oh, we got X-Ray Doomsday is in. You love to see X-Ray Doomsday in the tournament, folks. He is one of us. Here's a link to the arena. Get in the arena, guys. You definitely want to. If you're watching on YouTube Vertical, the link might not work. You can copy and paste it. Or just go to chess.com, go to community, and go to clubs. Look for Chess Chillers. Search for it. 2 words. Just how it sounds. What's going on with you, Bill Stevens? Bill Stevens has been making some amazing music, folks. Back for a bit. So what's going on here today? I'm playing 1 minute chess, and we are going to be having a 1 minute arena that starts in 10chess.com minutes. Usually we start stuff like, I'm playing a 1 minute game. An hour, right? The tournament usually starts an hour. Come on. Going where? Losing a pawn. He doesn't want it. Losing it again. He wants it this time. He does. Annoying. Opening. Okay, It's a good move. Okay. Just move, dude. Transporting. Teleporting, if you will. Goes back. You love to see it. Pick up a little bit of time. He gets a check. His pawn could be a problem. Drop my bishop. Oh, it repeated. And he had no time. That was a huge blunder to give him the draw. Hey, huge blunders happen, folks, right here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Do we make a cup of coffee, guys, for the arena? That starts in 8 minutes, guys. Get in the arena. Get in the arena. You can see, guys, I am very beatable today, or at least drawable. Spielman, we are now friends on chess.com. What this means is we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. Okay? That's what we got going. A 3-man arena? Hey, man, I'll do it. No, we're going to get more than 3. We're going to get more than 3, guys. Join the arena. 1-0 will melt your brain. No way. No way. You'll get better at it. You'll get better at 1 minute. There are all levels here. So you will play strong, higher rated players that move faster than you, play a little bit better. Then you might play a lower rated player and be like, hey, I got a game. I can win too. And the person that will get the most out of it will be the lower rated players who might not win a lot of games, but try stuff. Try just moving fast. Try it. Try not putting pieces on unprotected squares. Try not bringing your queen out too early so it can't get attacked. Try like something like a hippopotamus. The hippopotamus. You know what I mean? Get all you just that way you can move real fast and put your pieces on squares. Yeah. You could try different things with blitz. Usually in speed chess you end up with like a repertoire of the first few moves that you can make and not have to think. You know what I mean? Like E4, I don't know. I don't even know one. I'm not even going to make one up, but I'm telling you. I used to kind of do that. Yeah, I would play E4 and D3. E4, D3. Pre-move. And that usually throws them off, too, because they're like, what's he doing? He's not doing anything. Now what do I do? Because my opponent's not doing anything. He's not playing a Sicilian. Well, I'm playing white, but then they, you just pick up a little bit of time by pre-moving at the beginning of the game, right? If they're not attacking anything and they can't attack anything, like with a pawn, you can pre-move. You can pre-move or develop a piece. Just go. Just go. You don't have a plan? Develop your pieces in castle. There's your plan. Do it as fast as you can. You know what I mean? Hikaru wrote a book, right? Didn't Hikaru write a book like how to play bullet chess or something? And he is one that knows. He wrote it as a man, but he learned it. He learned it as a kid. He used to play a lot of bullet chess online on Internet Chess Club. Bullet chess, excuse me, and 3-minute chess against Gadakamsky and others. Guys, we're just going to make one more cup of coffee. It's the last one for the day, I promise. Wait a minute, what's wrong with this board? It's too big, bro. You can't get in the way of the text. Breaking news. Something just happened. I heard an alert. Dave Joyce for the 200 stars. Dave Joyce, thank you. Why isn't I exploding all over the screen? I see it on Facebook. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 200 stars, man. There they are. There's the explode. Well, how come that that
hey,
freaking...
Charlie, hey, chillers, grin hand waving.
Where is my alert box? Oh, it's because it's right here, but still, this should be centered and smaller. Yeah, that should be like a little more like this. Let's try it again, guys. Let's try it again. Dave Joyce. That's not it, though.
Hey Charlie, hey Chillers, grin hand
We
waving.
want alert box over here. And I don't have it there. Oh, so I can just move it more centered on my face. One more time, Dave Joyce. Dave Joyce gets it. Dave Joyce gets the 3 alert treatment. Come on. Hey! Okay, it's better. It's better. Okay. Let me get my coffee, guys. Why don't you let me get my
Charlie,
coffee? Dave
hey
Joyce, thank you,
Chillers,
man.
Grin hand waving.
Yeah, we'll talk. There they go. Okay, we'll talk about the weekend in a second.
Hey Charlie, hey Chillers, grin hand waving.
Tournament starts in 3 minutes. Do we just play? Oh my, okay, yeah, they're coming in. They're coming in. Guys, get in the arena. It's filling up. Goat Doc is in. You love to see it, folks. I'm the highest rated player, man. Come on, where's the 2300? Sonny Chin. Hey, Sonny, how you doing? Join arena here. Bang. There we go. Join the arena, guys. It's 1 minute. You can play as many games or as few games as you want. That's the beauty of arenas. You're not committing to a 2-hour tournament like the weekly tournament on Wednesdays. The arena, you can play a few games and be like, you want to wait around for an oven mitt? Nah, we don't need no oven mitt. And you could drive away. Sonny, you've been busy. What are you doing? Tell me how good life is. Jay says, tell you one good thing about being hurt is no work, so I can watch it stream live again. Love it. Jay, dude, it's good to have you here, brother. It's good to have you here, man. Work is a crazy thing, bro. The weekend, what do we do this weekend? I'll tell you, Courtney and I, Sunday night, decided, was it Saturday night? Saturday night. We decided, let's do Memorial Day things. By the way, guys, happy Memorial Day. And thank you to all the veterans that gave the ultimate sacrifice. And I have a couple of veterans in my family that are both passed away, but they didn't die in battle. Okay, but one of them had a Purple Heart. One of them was my godfather. They are both really good people. Really good people. It's crazy too. My dad is one of 6 brothers, so there's 6 brothers, and the 2 that have passed away are the 2 veterans. I don't think anyone else was in the military. Tournament starts in 1 minute, guys. We gotta get the coffee. We gotta get the coffee. Oh yeah, they're coming in now, guys. They're coming in now. Let's get back to play. All right, guys, I might have a chance to win the arena for once in my life because that 2300 didn't show up. I had to play 4 games to get my bullet rating. Yeah, that took a couple minutes, right? You got it though. You can't join from your phone app, but good luck, Charlie. You can. Jack Payne, go to community and go to clubs and search for Chess Chillers. Be sure you join Chess Chillers. It's free. It's just like joining a group on Facebook or something. You join our club on chess.com, and then you'll see it, and you click it, and you can. You can. Okay, here we go. This guy wants his money back, bro. This guy wants his money back. This guy wants his money back, folks. I beat him in the last game. Guys. That knight's looking good. Come here. You're gonna harass me. He doesn't want to. I'm taking that, dude. It's probably not best, but I'm doing it. Wow, he does that. Okay, take a check. Dove. Did I have mate? I probably had mate. Yeah, there's too many threats, bro. I think I got him in trouble. What'd he do? Oh, he did that. Well, that's... Yeah. I thought it was still his move. I was waiting for him to stop the mate. Next game. Guys, we're in an arena. Oh, guys, you can join anytime. That's what's great about arenas. You can join right now. He made this mistake last time. I think he tried to push. He tried this. Didn't work. If he pushes and I play pawn takes, I actually still don't even lose my queen. But, okay, I think we just develop, right? Takes. Yeah. Okay, now I think we play this move. Just to be annoying. Okay, he just takes stuff. You love to see it. My queen is a little bit trapped, guys. My queen's a little bit trapped. Oh, I have this check. I think it's a good move. Yeah, he sees it, but... Oh, I can't go there. Okay, I gotta get my queen out, guys. I gotta get my queen out. Okay. What'd he do? Why does it move backwards? I didn't know it moved backwards. Dude. That was a good game. Next arena game. Let's go. Claude is crushing. Claude is crushing the competition, folks. Drinking coffee is dangerous. Rhodes, how you doing, brother? Welcome back. Anyone know what the Stars site address is? You know, the one where you don't pay crazy app prices. If you look for it on a browser, I think. If you go on a browser and you go to Facebook and you go to the stream and you go to buy things, it might be the one. He's using his brain! How do you find that move? It's a good move. Good move. Had a better move. That was my better move. No, it doesn't do anything. Well, I guess I can come here and maybe threaten stuff. He has a check, but it doesn't do anything. He can't really do much. He can win a pawn. What'd he do? Comes there, hits my rook. Just defend. Defend, ding. He's our great world champion. Good game. Dude, that was a great game for a 200 player. I'm telling you, man. You guys You guys are moving. You're moving quick. You're keeping the pressure up. You're keeping the pressure up. Spielman now has passed Claude, and so is T. Kirksumel T. Goat. Come on. I expect to see you on the board. You, Kale, and X-Ray Doom. You guys got this. Just don't quit. Pick it up a little. Make it move a little faster. Wyatt moves backwards. Dude, you saw that, right, Durek? You saw that. You saw that. I didn't realize that Bishop was going to move backwards, man. I dropped a piece, and he took advantage of it. My opponent took advantage of the situation. I'm waiting for a game to come up. I'm waiting for a game, folks. I'm waiting for a game. If I can keep my streak up, the streak is going to be huge. Why would I put my queen here? I have a plan. I have a plan, Stan. I don't need to be coy, Roy. That's what I have to remember, guys. I just made a new plan, Stan. Attack king. Take king. Take king. Annoying. 3 words. 3 words, folks. Spell it how you wish. Guys, some of you guys are a little bit lower rated, and it's okay. It's okay. Okay. And I just got him on time. Be sure there's no mate. I had to be sure there was no mate. Dude, good game, man. Good game. That was stressful. They're all stressful. It's called Bullet Chess, guys. Join the arena. There's 21 minutes left. If one of you 2,300 players can walk in right now and just get a 12-game streak and just beat me. I do have a slight... Jack plays chess right at 2,000. There goes my streak. Oh, no. Here maybe? What do you do? Gotta get rid of it, guys. Gotta get rid of it. It's too annoying. Defending. Didn't see it. Didn't see it. What am I down? A full rook now? Good game, dude. Oh, he just plays better, guys. I stayed with him on time, but I was completely... Yeah, 50 ways to leave your lover. Oh, I stayed with him on time, guys, but he was making better moves. He was making better moves. Spielman coming at me with the full spider monkey regalia, otherwise known as... I always capture toward the center. I think you're... No, you're not supposed to go that way, actually. I better castle while I can. I better 50 ways to leave my lover. I better make a new plan, Stan. The move. Ah! He got me! Spielman, good game. Woo! Good thing this is unrated, guys. Dude, my streak is gone. Spielman is on a streak, guys. We gotta stop him. Well, I had my chance. Jack plays chess is definitely a serious threat here with that heavy 2000 rating. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We started doing these. Oh, no, 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 no. No challenges right now. I'm playing a 1-minute arena. I started doing 1-minute challenges on Mondays. And when the arena's over, I'm going to keep playing you guys. You guys can just challenge me as much as you want. 1 minute. We're going to play 1 minute today. Spielman. You cannot let them threaten mate. You guys, you low-rated players. Spielman just threatened mate, and I moved fast. Yeah, I moved fast. And guess what that did? F3... D5. Things might... So F3 might be the only reasonable move here? Wow. Okay, Jack, let's go. Uh-oh. I didn't want it to go there, guys. There's no threat. Okay, just move and bring a rook. That could be a problem. Just take it and then unpin it. Got him, guys. I stopped him. I stopped him. Spielman is still on a streak, though, guys. Spielman rated 1021 is on a streak. Bullet Chat says Goat Dog. You know it. Rob Mitchell, how you doing, Rob? Welcome back. Will Anthony, welcome back. How you doing, Will? Hope your day is going great. Oh, this is freaking fun, man. Okay, wait. I'm learning now. Drink coffee first. And then start the next game. And stay focused. Claude is crushing today. How are you guys playing so... I think there's just a lot of 1 minute... there's a lot of low-rated players. What do you do? Queen? Defending the knight. Can you play C3? Might be able to. You can attack my queen. It's not mate, but he's scared. He should be scared. He's using his brain! That was a forced move, by the way, Claude. Forced move you make without thinking. Throwing it out there. Okay, just trade. Just take. And then come home with check. Oh, he doesn't want the rook, guys. That's a real pawn, though. And he's on my square. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna play check. Yeah. You were fine here, Claude. You were fine, but just down on time. Bobby Jethro for the band. Who wants him? Hey, someone beat me to it. Dave Joyce going. Was that Jade? Who got it? We basically had someone come on Facebook and in their own wording, they said, please ban me from forever from your stream. Yeah, that's what he said, basically. I saw it. I was going to ban it, but I'm like, don't do it. Let one of the guys have it, right? Anna Banana Dana, welcome back. Okay, drink coffee and then start another game. Yeah, that guy did, he broke 2 laws at the same time. Next game, let's go. We got to beat this Spielman guy. We got to get him off his streak, Claude. Claude, you can do it. You've been crushing. Waiting for my game. Waiting. Ola. I get to play a guy named Ola. You know what Ola, my favorite Ola ever? Fun with Dick and Jane. The little boy who had the nanny. Remember his nanny? She was the maid, I guess. And and the kid was learning how to speak Spanish better than he was learning how to speak English because the lady took care of him all the time. Okay. And Jim Carrey was getting freaking, he was getting arrested for being a migrant worker. And they're like, prove it. Prove that you're not a migrant worker. And he calls his house and the kid says, hola. And that was the final drawing point. What do you do? Gotta move faster, guys. Whoa. I didn't see that move. I saw the check, though. Defending. Be bad. We gotta let ourselves out, guys. Oh, he's trying to beat me on the clock, guys. Ola. Great game, Ola. He is from the great country of Spain. Ola E. What does it mean, Ola-E? Probably because Ola was already taken. Ola. So whenever I talk to Courtney on the phone, I'll call her and she'll say, Ola. We try and say it like the little boy. That's a great movie, man. Freaking funny as heck. Okay, I had my coffee. Next game, we are... Jack plays chess! The 2000 is on a streak, guys. We got to take him out. Spielman, 1021 rated. Yet crushing the full arena. Dude, that was a mistake. He had Night Takes Night. Yeah, you had Night Takes Night, I think, winning a piece instead of an exchange. You're still fine. You're rated 2000. Oh, it's a good move. I gotta come here. Defending. Threatening. I should let him take it. I think I had it again. Dude, I choked. I went to move into check. If I look at the clock there, I have a much better chance of not losing by pre-moving. You know, but he was going to do the same thing. He's 2,000. Does playing bullet help this 100 rating or perpetuate it? Bullet chess. I don't think it will hurt you. I think your time would be better spent if right now, this is what I would call recreational, right? Like, instead of studying chess, you could watch Family Guy. It's recreational. Instead of studying chess, you could watch TikTok. And instead of studying chess, you could play 1-minute chess. Now, there will be times in your life where you are very, very low on time. And this could be considered training for that. Right? Yeah. Yeah. And then you could also look at your games, at your openings. You could try and play your openings. But your opponents usually aren't playing main line. Oh my God, this Spielman guy is like grossly underrated, guys. He's freaking taking it down. He's 8 out of 9 wins, and he's rated 1,000. Jack plays chess, and me can't take him down. In addition to someone like Claude, who was started off the tournament very strong. Spielman is crushing it. Spielman's a crusher, folks. Waiting for my next game. How much longer do we have in the arena? I don't even know. Thank God for the clock, guys. Thank God for the clock. What do you do? You took the pawn. Good. Pin that knight. Pin it. The queen wants to come. I really need pieces by my king. Okay, he's threatening stuff. I don't think we take that. I think we play knight. Oh, he's threatening mate. I didn't see the mate, guys. I didn't see it! That's a good move. Knight on F8, no mate. It's not exactly F8, but yeah, we got him on time. Ola, dude! That's how freaking, someone beat me. The guy who hasn't lost barely a game yet. Beat me. He threatened checkmate. Yeah, that was a great... I almost didn't see it. Hola, are you in chat? Where is he, folks? Daniel Abbott, how you doing, man? Yeah. So, how much time? Oh, 4 minutes left, guys. We might be able to get a couple of games in if we just stay focused. Stay focused. Dude. Knight F1 stops the mate. When they say knight F8 stops the mate, it's the same thing. Knight F8, no mate. That's what this knight is. This is a knight F8, no mate, but its colors reversed. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. T, it's you and me, brother. What do you do? Just castle, I guess? And play F4, right? I think he could have played... No, he couldn't have... He could. Now he could play Bishop E7. F6. D6 would have been a much better move because you didn't weaken your king side. Just applying the pressure, guys. Applying all pressure. Getting another piece. Oh, that looked like it could have been a checkmate, guys, but thank God it's not. Okay. I don't think I have to give him the bishop, guys. Just leave this here and do it when we want to. Oh, that's a good move. Uh-oh. Still on castle, folks. Got him on time, man. Dude, T, that was a great game, man. Next game. We get one more game in? I think I got one more game in, guys. One more. Go, Doc. I love it. I get to play Branson. E4, E5. Let's go. Let's go with the brain rot that is bullet chess, folks. The brain rot that is bullet chess. We love to see it. We love to do it. It is 1,000,000% recreational. It can help you with some tactiques as well, though. I love the developing, though. That was a good move. Developing was a good move. I'm going to trade my knight for the best piece on the board. If he takes, he can mess my pawns up a little. Ooh, he comes there. He says, I am going to lose a piece instead. Guys, he's rated 133, okay? He's one of us. He's an up-and-comer. This guy works harder on chess than most people in chat right now. He's getting better. It's 1 minute chess, guys. Okay, developing. I should have put the rook first, right? Okay, just bring the rook. Just trade down. Okay, got him with the check, folks. New game, I might be able to get one more game in. Didn't do anything. Oh! Spielman wins it. Jack plays. There's no way. Jack plays at the last second. Jack plays at the last second. Highest rated player in the tournament. He came in a little late, I think, right? 1 minute chess is hectic. Wow, Jay, it's fun. Bill Stevens says, man, the arena is exciting. Love the new Chess Chillers Monday vibe. Dropping some likes for sure. Dude, thank you, Bill Stevens. Yeah. Dude. Can we see a little more of the screen, at least on this one? Congratulations to Jack Plays Chess 96, because Jack Plays Chess 95 was already taken. Spielman was on a crushing unbelievable streak. I can't believe I'm even as close as I was to these guys. Jack plays chess. His biggest streak was 2. My biggest streak was 3. Is that biggest streak? What does that mean? What? Or maybe that means he was on a streak of 2? I don't even know how to read streaks, folks! But I know Jack plays chess overcame all odds and caught up to Spielman. Spielman. Are you rated Spielman because you're into chess? Yeah, a little late. The guys played well, though. Jack, you were on the hunt. Jack Payne, dude, you came. You brought the pain, brother. Jack brought the pain, man. We need to make T-shirts for Jack Payne. Jack brings the pain. P-A-Y-N-E. And then Spielman, who was winning the tournament the entire time, basically, rated 1,021 with a 10-game winning streak. That's insane. With 37 points. Second place. I got third place. Fourth was T. Kermix Old T. Kermix. No, I don't know what to say. There's a guy with Kermix as his name now. Hey, dude! Cappy, you got 5th place, man. And Claude, did you beat me, Claude? No, you didn't beat me, but you were like, I think you were ahead of me in the tournament at one point. Yeah. Goat Doc Branson scored some 6 points. X-Ray Doomsday and Ola, they came for the experience and the camaraderie. The community that is Charly Sardo Gaming. You absolutely love to see that. Okay. The arena is over. I'm closing it out, guys. It's done. Now, I'm gonna run over here for a second, and you guys can start sending me 1-minute challenges. We're gonna play 1-minute chess against the community. Be right back, and I'll take your challenge. I'll tell you guys something, man. I love the new format. Like Bill Steven just says, man, the arena is exciting. Love the new Chess Chillers Monday vibe. Exactly. I love it. When tournament day is always Wednesday. We do a 10+5, 10 minutes with 5-second increment tournament, unrated, open tournament on Wednesdays. Be here for that. Hit the sub button, follow button, like button so you can be part of it. And so that I don't think is going to change. Mondays we do the 1 minute now. I challenge you guys 1 minute and the 1 minute arena. That was so much fun. We're not done though. I'm waiting for a challenge, man. I'm waiting for play online. Someone send me 1 minute. Let's play. Otherwise I'm going in the pool. And then Thursdays I review my games from the tournament and we play 3-minute unrated. I love Thursdays now too. I have reinvigorated the chess stream for myself. I'm going to the pool, folks. Oh, it's set unrated. So we can just play like psychos. I think I gotta shut this down, guys. Bring pieces. Bring the amigos pieces! Bring my stuff. Oh my God. Contest it or control it. Contest it or control it, folks! That's probably a good move. I saw it coming. Push again. I gave that one check. That was probably dumb. Okay. I looked at the clock. Got him on time. If he wanted to win or not lose, guarantee not lose, he could have played rook and taken my last pawn. He's still winning, right? Geezer, hi, how you doing, man? Geezer, welcome to the stream, brother. I like a man in pink shirts, truly confident. Hey! Dude, this isn't pink, this is fuchsia. But wait, I'm going to show you guys something. I almost did this the other day, and I'm going to do it for you guys right now. I'm going to do it for Anna Banana Dana. Guys, the world famous pink jacket is back in play, folks. This jacket is from my profile picture. Wait, not Coffee Cam, this one. This is from my profile picture, and that was turned into a cartoon, but this is the jacket. And we brought this to the Charly Sardo Gaming Chillers a gathering. We had a gathering, guys, a real IRL gathering. People came from all over the country. We had events. We met Friday night and had drinks and played chess and pool. Saturday we had a barbecue, and then Saturday night we had we took over an entire nightclub and we had live music, and I hired the best sax player in town. I hired a good band, some friends of mine, and it was freaking amazing. It was freaking amazing. I'm very low elo, but I like to play very good players to see how they play. Can I play against you? No, a geezer, no 10 minutes. There's not enough time in the day. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, T, for explaining it to him. Yeah. But we do a tournament, geezer. We do a tournament on Wednesdays. Yeah, so now this, I'm like, this shirt is not pink. It's whatever color you say to not sound like a guy wearing a pink shirt. I just say fuchsia. I don't know if that's right. This coat, this is a pink coat. This was Courtney's coat, and she was going to get rid of it. And I'm like, I want it. And it's become a meme. Oh, and so we had our Chillers event, and Windows Defender just did a scan. Interesting. And Billy Mullenix, the two-time, got a lot of people got pictures with this jacket. Trey got one, I think. Trey's friend got one. Billy got one. I don't know. Did Stagner wear the coat? I'm not sure. Hi, how you doing, Late Strike? Challenge me. Okay, Dr. Time, see us tomorrow, dude, or maybe after dark. Absolutely, Jay will be gaming tonight. Adam Engel, thank you for the 50 stars, dude. Thank you so much, man. This guy has the longest running star streak here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Geezer with the follow. Geezer, thank you for the follow. If you want to play me, 10-minute. It's not tomorrow, it's Wednesday. You want to be here Wednesday and you want to play our tournament. It's 10-minute with a 5-second increment. And you very good chance you could play me. And if you end up not playing me, you might still get to play players that are considerably better than you, and you can learn something. Yeah, 3 minutes on Thursdays. Today is 1 minute chess, guys. Love it. So, Steven Tyler, Fuchsia is in the pink family. I know, but that's what you say when you don't want to be the guy wearing a pink shirt. I could even say this is purple. It's purple. It's not pink. Now this, I can't deny this. The coat is 1,000,000,000% pink. Yeah, yeah. When we get to 10 million subscribers, we're raking in about a couple $400,000 a month or something, right? And then we have many, many millions of eyes on us instead of just like maybe a couple million who are watching right now. Then like we can auction this away for like for a charity or something. But we got to make it worth it first, guys. How do I make it worth it? Like, follow, comment, subscribe. That's how you make it worth it. The shirt is magenta, magenta, magenta. Send it. Lee Strike, I am waiting for a challenge, my friend. Oh, no, 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 no. Cancel. I didn't want to play another. I got to take it off of unrated, but you can challenge it. 1 minute unrated. Rosewood Telly. Oh, yeah. How do I? Here we go. Bang. Bang. Wait, bing bong, and bing bong. There we go. Calvin Chambers, 1 minute unrated, 1600. Calvin is absolutely amazing. 1600 bullet? You might have had it. Just move! Brings the queen. I guess we go here. Oh my god, I'm losing on time. Calvin, dude, you're a good bullet player too, brother. Calvin's got his rating up, guys. Calvin, what were you rated when you first? Kaio, you're the Spielman. Okay, you're a little underrated, aren't you, Spielman? Guys, Calvin has beaten me 14 times, and he is, and I beat him 25 times. But like, let me see. I want to look at his. Yeah, his rapid is 1686. It's about like mine, man. It's about like mine. Let's go for all time. And in 2023, he was 900 or 1,000. And then look at it. Look at him just go up, guys. He just went up. He just very slowly. This is not this is a guy getting better at chess. Good job, Calvin. I'm really proud of you guys, man. What happened to Ratursky? Yo, Charlie, I beat Radon on my overpowered run I told you about a few days ago. Score, nice! You mean consort. Mac travels everywhere, says Charlie, my guy. I've made it to Eastern France before Switzerland, here to watch you smoke some fools in your magenta shirt. Magenta! I told you! It's a pink jacket, but it's a magenta shirt. You were 900 when you started watching on Facebook. Yeah, Calvin is one of the guys that was rated 900 and kept working on his chess along with the community here, but obviously he was working by himself, trying to get better at chess. And when he started watching the stream, he was 900, and now he's 16, almost 1700 rapid. Very, very good, dude. So proud of you guys, man. Ratirsky was one, I think, who kind of did the same kind of thing. He started out lower and made it up to 16, maybe even 1700s. He might even be higher. I haven't seen Ratirsky in a long time. I know I didn't make him mad, because I don't say things that make people mad. I don't know what happened to Ratirsky, man. I wish the guy the best, man. He was here all the time. He was a good part of the group. Okay, no challenges. New 1 minute for me, folks. Why does it keep sending unrated? It's because the last guy, yeah, I used Dark Moon Greatsword and stance broke him with every 5 charge hits. Nice. Nice. Didn't see it. Go back to your home. I defended the rook before I brought the knight. Did you see that? Huh. Okay, probably should have took the pawn. Wow. Burns like fire. He got me on time! Ah! This is losing, right? I was trying to get my knight to a checking square. Oh no, I'm controlling the square though. But still, I can just trade. And I maybe could have drawn there. This is equal. It's equal, but it kept saying plus something while it was thinking about it. Calvin Chambers says, honestly, I've studied nothing. I mostly watch 2,000 plus rated streamers, and I binge watch Hikaru speedruns. More like a visual learner, I guess. Very cool, man. Bill Stevens says, it's always an ebb and flow, but your trajectory is upward trending, so don't get down about 100 points. I've lost 100 points. Oh, who said they lost? Your highest is 1770 in Blitz, but you dropped over 100 ELO. Yeah, it goes up and down, especially things like Blitz, right? It says title players are protected, so I can't send any challenges. I'm not titled, brother. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not a title player, bro. Everyone else can challenge me, so I'm not sure what the deal is. Kind of felt good to start a new run from scratch. Elden Ring, once you beat the game and you do NG+, and then you start doing fun builds, and you start doing challenges and you start doing different things, you forget how easy Elden Ring is with a brand new game. Because every time you have a character and you finish the game and then you NG plus, it's NG plus 1, NG plus 2, and the bosses get harder and harder and harder, and they stop at NG plus 7. And that's usually where we play all of our stuff, is NG plus 7. And then if you start a new character and the bosses reset and the bosses are all back to the beginning of the game, they're so easy. They're so easy. It says titled players are protected, so I can't send any challenges. How can this be? I'm not a title player. Rosewood Telly. I got a title, guys? We're looking for it. Grandmaster. It doesn't show it, brother. It doesn't show it. It shows me streaming on Twitch because my Twitch is connected to my chess.com. But I'm not a title player. No. I'm a diamond member. I'm from the United States. That's the only flair I have, guys. I have a flag and a diamond. I'm a community streamer, but saying, yeah, I don't know either, man. I don't know. Try resetting your modem or something. Tonight, I think tonight we're going to do the incoming requests. Oh, it's a friend request from Leslie G-Min Making. Leslie G-Min Making. Leslie GM in making. Leslie GM in making. I definitely want to be friends with Leslie GM in making because Leslie's going to be a grandmaster. Leslie, I have faith in you. We're now friends on chess.com. This means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. These are the rules. If you don't like it, unfriend me. Yeah. Did you, and is that you, Lee Strike? Lee Strike, are you Leslie? Send me a friend request on chess.com. Bill Stevens says, I had a thought. Since you are a CDC affiliate, I feel like when you set yourself to be social, there should be a checkbox to say whether you are accepting rated, unrated. That would save you so much hassle and seems like an easy algorithm. Totally freaking one line of code, bro. One line of code. But Moonveil carried me in base game. Dark Moon Great Sword carried me in DLC. Nice, Scorn. Yeah, tonight I think we're going to probably do the thing. The Thorns run. We usually say the runs for Wednesday, but I think most of the guys have been playing on Mondays lately, so I think we're probably going to do the Thorns run tonight, guys. Yeah, that's going to be fun. It's Thorns only, guys. It's an Elden Ring run where we all can only cast one offensive spell, and it's a big spell that does a lot of damage, takes a lot of time to cast, and it's big and dumb, and it looks big and dumb on the screen, and there's going to be 3 of them flying all over the screen. The boss is going to take 1 step to the left, and everyone's going to miss. And it's going to be a challenge. And it's going to be fun. And we're going to do that. We're doing that tonight, folks. It's going to be absolutely amazing. What else we got going on here, man? Oh, we got a friend request. We got a friend request. No new requests. No new requests. Kyle Rates, send me a 1-minute game, brother. Send me a 1-minute chow chow. Play online. Oh... Arsenal, I'm sorry, dude, but I can't play you a 10-minute game. It's against the rules. I'm going to the pool, guys. 1 minute rated now that I'm all warmed up. Come on. We might have him, guys. We might have him. On the night, if he pushes, I think we just take and hide behind it. Do we just take? I think we do. Okay. That might not have been a good move. Take the knight. Ah! Why? Why would you do that? Why would anybody open up the bishop? Get behind the umbrella. Yeah, you got me. Good game. Oh, I felt like I was doing okay there. He attacked me better. I knew I was going to be in massive trouble if I took those pieces or that piece. Yeah, pieces. I was up 2 pieces or 3. Am I up 3 pieces right now? I'm up 3 pieces, but but the game's over. I needed then to say, okay, you have to waste a bunch of time defending. Hey, Maplewood Strat, 1 minute. This is Kyle, folks. This is our own Kyle. He's rated 100 chess.com bullet rating points. Kyle was at the workshop. We had a chess workshop on Saturday. It went great. It was very well attended, and I made some changes in the workshops too. I just accepted the workshop was going to last not 2 hours, but we went like over 3 hours, and we looked a little further into the games, and everybody learned stuff. We have to go because he could have moves, guys. Okay, C3. Yeah, you saw it. You were doing so good, brother. It's going to catch up eventually. You know what I mean? But that doesn't mean you don't fight like a lion. Okay, which one do we keep? Probably this one. Because then we get this one check. This is a cool move right here. You know why? No reason. Pinning. Ah! You had me! You had me! Oh my god, dude! I dropped the mate! Oh, Kyle, that was real, dude. You really had me. You should send chess.com a message and ask them. I bet they'd agree. It's a good idea. It's possible. It's, oh, Bihan King, I can't play you a 10-minute game because then I don't get to play everybody else. It has to be 1 minute unrated. Now, if you really want to play me a 10-minute game, be here Wednesday for our weekly chess tournament. 10 minutes with a 5-second increment. It even helps it be a little bit slower. Dude, oh my god. The minute I played it, I knew. And I screamed. Toasty Cheese It is here, folks. Toasty Cheese was at the workshop learning. He is Kyle's friend. These guys, oh man, these guys are freaking. These guys are maneuvering. Now I can get castled. Okay, guys, this guy's got me thinking. Dude, I can't hang mate in 1. The best way to beat me is probably just threaten mate in 1, and you will be fine. It's so hard. I didn't expect. That was not like a cheapo. I mean, I'm expanding. I was expanding on the queen side. Go back to your home. Okay. I'm like, wait, is it back rank mate? I was afraid it was back rank mate. Now I'm the one who's threatening the back rank mate. Okay, just continue threatening the back rank mate. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't see it was mate. I'm like, his king is gonna start running in the middle of the board. I could probably play. I'm thinking like, does this move? I'm like, no, he can still get away. So I'm like, the knight check. If it wasn't mate, and I was down on time, and your king could have started running, I might have been in trouble. Dude, Toasty Cheese It, good game. Yeah, you guys both just played good games. You guys learned a lot from the workshops, man. Kyle and Toasty, I hope the workshop helped you guys. Did it help you guys? There were so many key important things that you can just start doing right now, but you gotta apply it. I'm telling you, man. Oh wait, I always see blenders only after I make them. Starg, I totally feel it. Scorn says I did find a record player at my grandma's yesterday before the garage sale. Ooh, nice. You know, Courtney and I wanted to play on Saturday night. For Memorial Day, we said let's do what normal people do and barbecue on Memorial Day weekend. We don't always do that because to us every day is Memorial Day weekend. Like, we might barbecue on a Monday night. We might barbecue on... It's just whatever. It's just whatever. But so we went and got hamburger stuff. And we grilled some smash burgers. They were so good. And we were going to play a record. Because she has a turntable right there in her living room. Sorry, DNS. I will not play 10 Minute today. And so we started looking through the records. And we weren't sure what to grab until... a Prince album came along. It's like, we're definitely 1,000% we're going to put on Prince. I don't even remember the name of the album. It was not Purple Rain. And so we put the record on and went to turn the thing on, and it didn't turn on. And we looked and it was like the power cord was unplugged. We're like, huh. So we got down underneath behind the thing, and we couldn't find the power cord. It's like she unplugged it from one spot and left the power cord plugged in and moved it and set it over there or something. But we were going to listen to Prince. Was she wearing her Prince pin? I don't know, man, but that would have been perfect, right? 1 minute unrated. Now, if you've already played me, I will play you again. So you guys can start sending repeats. Okay? You guys know the trick. You guys know the trick, right? You guys remember the trick? King B1's the trick. And I'm going to show you in a second, because he's probably going to make it hard. Well. Never mind, the trick is not here anymore, guys. The trick is not here anymore. But it's not here any less either. Okay. He's using his brain, and he's actually using his brain in a very wise way. But it's probably going to cost him his maneuver. Okay. Stop the mate. Okay. Threatening stuff. I guess come here and just defend it. I don't know what to do. Okay. Didn't see that. Am I getting mated? That's the beauty of being up 9 seconds. Well, I was up almost 9 seconds. After I moved 8 seconds. You're trying to find records to get. Got my eyes on Bloodborne's 10th anniversary records. Hey, 213 Can Were Nadim. Welcome back, or welcome, dude. Starg. Oh yeah, got that one. Okay. We played some other games on his crazy chessboard he has. Thing connects to chess.com, and you can play online games over the board with it. It's cool. Yeah. That is good. But I'll tell you, a great hobby to get into is something. Well, I mean, if you're on a budget, like, I might be. Oh, 1 minute unrated. DNS wants it. Here we go. Vinyl records. Collecting vinyl records is a great hobby to get into. You can get yourself a reasonable little stereo system. And and buy records for a reasonable amount of money. You know what I'm saying? You could collect records at, you could find a Prince record for 99 cents is what I'm saying, right? And that is freaking awesome. This place is freaking awesome. I'm reading chat in a 1 minute game. This is not smart. He backed up. Okay. Okay. Gotta watch out for the mate, guys. He could be he could threat a checkmate. Okay, now he didn't see the threat. Gotta watch out for the checkmates. I should bring pieces, huh, guys? We don't need pieces. We don't need no stinking pieces. This guy's trying to come at me like a spider monkey. He's trying to bring a rook, guys. He's trying. Wow, dude. Yeah, you played good game, dude. DNS, you played a good game. It's just 1 minute, and I'm just faster at 1 minute than you. But that was a very good game. You have a small vinyl collection? I have to send you a snapshot. Kyle, nice. Osler, Weber, Rendu. 1 minute, unrated. 1820, guys. I gotta focus. No reading chat, guys. Good move. I probably never should have gave it up. Come here. Oh, the bishop. Okay, I think we're supposed to push. Ah! Queen comes. Just take. Save the bishop. Save the bishop. Save the bishop. That was dumb. What am I doing this for? I'm going to resign because out of respect to my opponent, Osler, you played faster and you were winning at the end. Very good game. Good game. I'm going to go ahead and give him a rematch because I told you guys you can start send them willy-nilly now, guys. Send them as fast as you can. Yeah, he dropped the knight. I think I get it now. No. Training stuff. don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it, guys. I mean, I've done it. I did it for $50. No! No! I had it. I had it on clock. I mean, all I had to do was put the bishop here or something. Oh, was that 50? Wait. Was that 50? Was that 50? 77? No, that wasn't 50 moves. That would be what? 20 move 27? No, it wasn't 50 moves. It was three moves. No music today. What does it mean? You can't hear the music? You're trying to find records to get got my eyes. Oh yeah, Blade. Okay, got Bloodborne anniversary records are like $100. Yeah. Dude, 213. You think it's funny? Yeah. Feeding Master David Bassett challenged me to checkmate somebody on stream with knight and bishop, and I learned how to do it, and I did it, and I haven't done it since, and that was over a year ago. So I forgot. I forgot. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. If you guys want to be here for the bonus game, because I need to raid on Twitch, guys. So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody right now. And if you want to come to, I'll give you a second to get to Twitch. And we're going to play a bonus game, probably a 3-minute game, to give you guys your money's worth. So come watch on Twitch and be there for the raid. The raids are going away on Facebook. There's no raids on YouTube. So I'm sorry for you guys for that. But you can watch on Twitch if you want for the bonus game. Freaking love you guys. Thanks for being here. Catch you guys later. Twitch, don't go anywhere. Twitch, don't go anywhere. Hit the sub button on the way out, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 3 p.m. Don't go anywhere, Twitch.